Hi folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions. Hey, this is Jerry Gardner's 1086 International tractor right here. This tractor's, they keep it inside. Jerry's operation was pretty much a hay operation. He did have a sawmill that he used the tractors on the PTO from time to time. This tractor, do you have the hours? 7,659 hours. And go ahead, Leo, and start it up and give him a little demonstration. Oh, the glass is in the cab. Cab's decent shape. It's not. It could use a little help in there, but tractor starts and runs good. Turbocharged tractor. TA seems to work fine when you're running the tractor. We didn't put it under any load, but we were using it around here. When you throw the TA, it jumps. All the ranges work on the tractor as far as we can tell. Got two sets of wheel weights on it, and they're split weights, so that makes it really nice for your handling, for putting them on and off. Top links aboard there, dual outlets you can see there. 3-point going up and down. Go ahead and do the PTO. Let's get shut off here. Works good. There you go, folks. International 1086 tractor. Jerry Gardner's auction.